So here's Carl Fretwell. You may have seen him on a video the other week when he was explaining about the teaching the next generation or anyone that's interested in getting into match ploughing. So, but he's actually at it today. I think he's got is it a David Brown, this one, David Brown 880 with the ransoms. 2-furrow plough on the bike. Carl's won many a ploughing match in the past as well. And he said his dad used to plough, and his son does now as well. It must be brilliant to keep that alive within the family. Now to come to the end. Nice bit of ploughing. And that is a David Brown Selectomatic, that 880. He's just lining it up exactly where he wants it before he drops in. Then he's setting the depth for this run.